So to start with today's DIY hair growth recipe, we will need to put some water on the stove. We actually need some hot boiling water. If your hair is not growing the way you want it, your edges are damaged, your hair is too thin, your hair is shedding and breaking a lot, or you just want to grow your hair much faster, then this simple DIY hair growth recipe using natural ingredients is for you. Make sure you pay attention to this DIY recipe. The ingredients are very easy to find and super effective. And I promise you, if you try this at home, you will come back and thank me later. So to start with, I will need some fresh carrots. Carrots are really great for hair growth. It has vitamins and minerals that can actually stimulate hair growth. Carrots serve as a natural conditioner. It prevents hair breakage, strengthens your hair strands, and nourishes your hair and your scalp. And hey, well, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so whenever you are making any DIY hair growth recipe with a natural ingredient, make sure you wash it very well. I usually wash my natural ingredients at least twice before using it for any DIY recipe. After washing, I decided to grate this carrot. Grating it will make the extraction process very much easier and quicker. So you can either buy the already shredded carrots, you can also buy the whole one and chop them or shred them yourself. This is vinaigrette seeds. Vinaigrette seeds contains iron, proteins, and other vitamins that can strengthen your hair strands. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that will treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. New hair grows from the scalp, so you need a healthy scalp in order to grow healthy hair. Vinaigrette seeds will treat your scalp, make your scalp area healthy to improve healthy hair growth. This is moringa powder. Moringa powder is very effective when it comes to hair growth. It contains iron and minerals that can stimulate blood flow to your scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. So it has antioxidant properties that actually helps fight damage and also anti-inflammatory property that help treat your scalp to make your scalp area healthy in order for you to grow healthy hair. I used about a tablespoon of my moringa powder, 2 tablespoons of my vinaigrette seeds, and about 3 tablespoons of my shredded carrots. I put everything in a mason jar like so, and I top it up with some hot water. So this is the next morning, and look at how this is already looking beautiful. It is super potent, and I just love how it's looking. So at this point, you can see that the natural ingredients have been separated from the water that we need, but you still need to strain it. You need to do a good job with the straining. What I do is I make sure to strain it twice in order to get all the little particles of the moringa powder, because you do not need this in your hair. And hey, yo, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So what I did was I used a sieve to strain the carrots and the fenugreek seeds. After that, I use a paper towel to separate the moringa powder so you do not have any particles stuck in this hairspray. There are a few things I'm going to show you in order to make this DIY hair growth spray super effective. So make sure you are watching to the end. I'm going to also show you the best way to use this in order to get all the benefits out of it. So this is vitamin E capsules. You can either use the one in the bottle or the one that comes in the capsules like so. You can add about 2 capsules or about 5 drops of your vitamin E oil to your DIY recipe. Vitamin E oil can prevent hair breakage and strengthen your hair strands. You should always add some kind of plant-based oil to your DIY recipe. You can either use olive oil, avocado oil, or any plant-based oil of your choice. Today I decided to use castor oil because I love what it does to my hair. Castor oil is a thicker oil that can condition your hair. All you need is about half a tablespoon for this amount of DIY hairspray. I also love to add essential oils to my DIY hairspray. Essential oils improve the smell of any DIY hairspray. It also helps to improve the benefits of any DIY hairspray. Today I added a few drops of my rosemary essential oil. You can use lavender essential oil or any essential oil of your choice. If you do not have any essential oils, you do not have to worry about it. This DIY hair growth recipe is super potent and it by itself can help you resolve your hair issues. Whenever you have leftovers, you want to leave it in the refrigerator so it does not go bad. You can leave this in the refrigerator for about 5 days before discarding it and making a new batch. Or you can freeze it to even keep it much longer. You apply this to your hair 3 to 4 times a week, massage it into your hair and make sure to follow with a hair moisturizer. Put your hair in a protective hairstyle. Be consistent with the use for faster results. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try at home.